Here I am your Shaista teacher. I welcome you all in our today's mathematics learning session. Students, previous class we have started chapter number 3, Indices and Cube Root. There we have finished practice set 3.1 and 3.2. 3.1 and 3.2 which is based on indices. But today I am going to start new topic, that is cube and cube root. Cube and cube root, the topic which is a part of indices. Okay. So here I am going to start this topic, cube and cube root. Practice set 3.3 is based on cube and cube root. So before solving practice set 3.3 sums, let us understand the meaning of cube and cube root and difference between cube and cube root. So are you all ready to learn cube and cube root? Okay, let's solve and let's start cube and cube root.
Let us understand cube and cube root. Cube of a number. Cube of a number means here if a number is written 3 times and multiply, then the product is called the cube of that number. Here example 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which means that 4 cube, because 4 the same number is multiplied by thrice. So we can say here 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 cube. Okay, 4 is multiplied by 3 times. So our answer is 64. So 4 into 4, 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So 4 cube is equal to 64. So 64 is the cube of 4 and 4 is cube root of 64. That means 4 is the cube root of 64 and 64 is a cube of 4. Understand? Now let's take other example. Same number 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 cube is equal to 125. How? Because 5 5 is a 25 and 25 5 is a 125. The same number is multiplied by thrice. So 5 cube is equal to 125. Now here 125 is a cube of 5. We can say that here 125 is a cube of 5. Similarly 64 is a cube of 4. Like that 125 is a cube of 5 and 5 is a cube root of 125. Is that clear? Let's solve practice set 3.3 question number 1. Here find the cube root of following numbers. Here sub question 1, 8000. Students, this question, here we will apply LCM method, lowest common multiple method. Okay. So here we are going to take the common factor, common multiple factor. So here we are drawing this LCM method. So 8000 is divisible by 2. 8000 is divisible by 2 because 8000 is an even number. So divide by 2. So after dividing we get here 4000. 8000 divided by 2 give us 4000. So keep here on left hand side 2 divided by 8000. Here we will put here 2. Okay, because 8000 is a even number. So 2 divided by 2. So 4000. Now again divide by 2. 2 is divided by 4000. So 4000 divided by 2 give us 2 2s are 4. So 2000. Again 2000. So now 2 divided by 2000. 2 divided by 2000. So give us here 1000. Now again after dividing we get 500. Now again divide by 2. 2 divided by 500, 250. Now again divide by 2 because last digit is 0, 125. Now see here last digit is 5. So don't divide by 2, divide by 5. So divided by 5. So 5 5 is 25. So 5 into 25. 125. Again 5 5 is 25. Last digit is 5. So 5 1s are 5. Now see all these vertical numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. There are total 6 2 and 3 5s. Okay. 3 times 5 and 6 times 2. So here we are going to take the pair of the common factor. Okay. Common multiple. So 2 into 2 into 2. See this blue color indicate 2. A pair of 2 number. Okay. There are 3 pairs. Okay. Now again the second green color. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 2s are 4, and then last 5 into 5 into 5, the purple color indicate the 5. So here we will write 8000 is equal to 2 cube multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 5 cube. So here 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So here we will put 8000 is equal to 8000 is equal to bracket 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5, close the bracket, and outside the bracket put there 3. Okay, power is 3. Is that clear? So here just open the bracket and write 2 into 2 into 5, close the bracket, put power is 3. Now here 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 cube. 8000 is equal to 20 cube. So cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. Is that clear, my dear students? Now let's solve other example. So here second question is 729. Now last digit is odd number. So odd number divisible by 3. Okay, so 729 will divisible by 3. Divide this number by 729, we get 243. After this again 3 is odd number. So 3 divide by 243, 81. Again 1 is odd number. So 3 multiply by 27 give us 81. Again divide by 3. So 3 9s are 27. Is that clear? Divisible by 3. Now again 3 3s are 9. After dividing we get here 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now here how many times 3 we are getting? Total 6 3 we are getting here. So 729 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we are going to take the common factor here. Okay, so how many pair we are going to take? 3 pairs. See this orange color? Orange color 3, there are 3 times. Again blue color 3, there are 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. So 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729. Is that clear? So here we will put 729 is equal to 3 multiply by 3 cube. So 729 is equal to 9 cube. So here we can write that cube root of 729. Here we will write cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Is that clear, my dear students? Let's solve new example. 343. Okay, now let's draw the LCM method. 343 odd number, divide by 7. So 7 divided by 343 gives us 49. Now 7 divided by 49 gives us 7. Now 7 ones are 7. So how many times 7s are divided? How many times? So 7 into 7 into 7. So there are 3 common multiple. So 7 into 7 into 7. So 343 is equal to 7 cube. So cube root of 343 is equal to 7. 343 is equal to 7. So we will write here cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Now let's solve sub question 4, minus 512. Here the number is a negative number. So the final answer will also be a negative number. Is that clear? So here we are going to present this minus 512 by divisible method. So here we are going to apply LCM method. 512 divide by 2 because this is an even number. 256 after dividing. Now 256 divide by 2, 128. Now 2 divide by 128 gives us 64. 2 divide by 64 gives us 32. 2 divide by 32 gives us 16. 2 divide by 16 gives us 8. 2 divide by 8 gives us 4. 2 divide by 4 gives us 2. And lastly, 2 ones are 2. So there are how many 2? So total there are 9 2. See this vertical line. So 512 is equal to 9 times 2. So 2 into 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 2. Total 9 times 2 is written. So now we are going to take the common multiple of all these 2, common factor. Okay. So take the pair of 3 3. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube. Like this. See this yellow color, so 2 cube. This blue color, 2 cube. And lastly green color, 2 cube. So 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. 512 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. So here we are going to write 512 is equal to, make the bracket 2 into 2 into 2. Close the bracket, keep there 3. 512 is equal to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 cube. Now cube root of minus 512, because the question is minus. So cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus 8. Is that clear? Way we finish question number 1, all the 4 sub question. Now let's solve question number 2. Here question number 2 is simplify. Let's solve. So, question 1. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Now my dear students, you know very well that 27, cube root of 27 is 3 because 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Similarly, 125 cube root is 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. So here we will write cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times 3 and 5 times 5 is written by 3. So 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. So here cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Is that clear? Now let's solve second question. Cube root of 16 upon 654. Cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Same denominator, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Now न्यूमरेटर से 2 कैंसिल करना है और डिनोमिनेटर से 2 को कट करना है. ठीक है, दोनों न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के कॉमन 2 जब कैंसिल हो जाएंगे तो आपको ये नंबर मिलेगा 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. See the common multiple? Yes. Now cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 3. Is that clear? Now students, in this way we finish practice set 3.3, all the question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, now your task is to solve all this question in your notebook. Thank you for watching my video. Enjoy learning, stay healthy, stay safe.